Mr. Lanto, you're talking crazy. See, that's why you get in trouble, because you like to talk and you think you know it all and you don't listen. I'm going to indicate to the assignment clerk that I want you here in person.
Well, I feel like I'd be in danger if I came there. I'd be in danger.
No, you won't be in any danger. I'll assign a policeman to watch over you.
That's the scariest
When
thing
you
I could
watch
ever
over
hear.
him when he comes.
Absolutely.
That is the scariest thing I could ever hear.
Today, we got one of the funniest and most clueless sovereign citizens you'll ever see. This guy is actually claiming the judge is scaring him, and that's why he doesn't want to show up in person. Yeah, you heard that right. But it gets even crazier. Sovereign citizens love to believe they're above the law. But here's the reality. The legal system doesn't care about your made-up rules. And in this case, the judge absolutely calls him out for it. Honestly, the whole exchange is pure gold. Let me know in the comments how dumb you think this sovereign citizen is on a scale from 1 to 10. And if you enjoy courtroom content like this, make sure to like and subscribe. Let's dive in.
Mr. Lanto, can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Yeah, he came out and went back in.
Okay. Mr. Greco, it's been indicated to me that somebody wants a 30-day adjournment on Mr. Lanto's case for discovery. Is that right?
I wasn't, that's fine with me, Judge, if that's what the request is.
Well, quick objection. The request was, why don't we just drop this right now?
Okay, Mr. Lanto, you understand that you're the one requesting that you be given 30 days to get discovery. It's not the
Well, the first thing I
prosecutor.
want.
You
Okay,
want
the
a
first thing I'd
trial
request-
today? You want a trial today?
Well, I mean, I'd even be willing to, sign a guilty plea today if the court can just produce the factual evidence of jurisdiction. It should be in my file somewhere. I was asking for the same thing up in the Clarkston courthouse, and they sent me to the Oakland County Jail.
Mr. Lanto, I'm not going to produce anything. I don't have to. I'm the judge. And as far as I know, the prosecutor can only produce what he wants to produce to convict. So we're not doing that. Your attorney's asked for 30 days. Do you want the 30 days or do you want to go to trial today?
Well, let's see what the discovery evidence has to say. But first, if they could, very first thing out of there, they could send the factual evidence of jurisdiction. That would be great. It should be a one-page document. If the prosecutor filed it, fantastic.
Mr. Lanto, you're talking crazy. I would suggest that you listen to your attorney. Okay? I'm going to adjourn this matter on his motion for 30 days.
Did you just
say?
Can you
I'm going
clarify
to
something
send
for me?
this to
Did
the
you just-
assignment clerk, Mr. Lanto.
So far, I'm giving this guy a solid 10 out of 10 on the idiot scale. What do you guys think? He literally walks into court and basically says, let's just dismiss the case. Like he's the one running the courtroom. That's not how any of this works. The judge has the authority here, not him. What's really baffling is how confident these sovereign citizens sound when they say this stuff. Somewhere along the line, they convince themselves that laws only apply if they agree to them. Spoiler alert, they don't. But credit to the judge here. He's handling the situation like a pro and not letting the nonsense slide. Let's keep watching.
See, that's why you get in trouble, because you like to talk and you think you know it all and you don't listen. I'm going to adjourn your case for 30 days. I'm going to send the matter down to the assignment clerk. She'll send out a notice. Hopefully your attorney will have the discovery that he wants by then, and we can handle your case. Okay?
Well, have you kind of calmed down a little bit?
What did he say? No. You're all set.
It seems like you were
Leave the
getting
meeting.
angry. It seems like you were getting angry.
No, Mr. Lanto, you can leave the meeting. We'll see you in 30 days or so. Clerk will send you a notice.
Well, I just want the record to show I've asked these same questions in several courts and nobody has said I'm talking crazy.
Oh, yeah.
That's the first time somebody said I've been anything but reasonable in a courtroom.
Huh. That's amazing.
Huh, right.
You're talking like you know all about the law, and it doesn't make any sense to me.
Well, then let me ask a few questions for clarification.
You don't need to ask any questions. We'll deal with it in 30 days, Mr. Lanto.
Wait, we can't ask simple logical questions today?
Honestly, this guy should probably walk away while he still has the chance. The judge is being surprisingly patient, considering how ridiculous the arguments are, but instead of backing off, he just keeps pushing it. At this point, it almost feels like he's trying to get himself held in contempt. The judge keeps giving him opportunities to stop digging the hole deeper, and every time he grabs a bigger shovel. And the ironic part? He keeps talking about logic, but nothing he said so far has made any sense.
Ask your attorney when you see him.
Like I said, I'd be willing to sign the guilty plea and just, be done with this if I just see the factual evidence of jurisdiction, number one. And
That's
then number
what we're
two.
asking for discovery.
Okay, and then the proof of jurisdiction is going to be in there? Is that, I'm asking a simple logical question. It's either yes or no, the proof is going to be in there or not. It's very simple. It's very logical, actually.
Well, let's see.
Mr. Lanto, I think maybe you ought to come into court in person next time, and your attorney will be here in person, and we can talk about it. So when you get that letter,
Well,
can I put on there that he's in person? I'm going to indicate to the assignment clerk that I want you here in person. You know where the courthouse is?
I feel like
Exactly.
I'd be in danger if I came there. I'd be in danger.
No, you won't be in any danger. I'll assign a policeman to watch over you.
That's the
Chris,
scariest
will
thing
you
I could
watch
ever
over
hear.
him when he comes?
Absolutely.
That is the scariest thing I could ever hear. And that's coming from a very reasonable person.
Okay, we'll see you in person in about 30 days, whatever date the assignment clerk gives you. And you come into court and we'll take care of business, okay?
So what does it mean to take care of business and I got to come in person and you're going to assign a police officer to me? And then you said I'm talking crazy.
No, you got it.
Did I just recall what was said on the record? Did I just recall that correctly?
You said no, you said it in reverse. I said first that you're talking some crazy talk. Then I said I'm going to adjourn it for 30 days. And then I said, because you're worried about it, that I'd have an officer watch over you while you're in court. We'll see you in 30 days.
Now the judge tells him to come back in 30 days. So what do you think? Is he actually going to show up? Personally, I think he will. Deep down, these guys know the court does have authority over them. They just don't want to admit it. The whole hearing felt like he was trying to play the victim the entire time, claiming he's scared of the judge, trying to stall, and hoping somehow the case just disappears. But that's not how the legal system works. Next time, he should probably just let his attorney do the talking, because right now he's only making things worse for himself. Either way, if he does come back in person, I'm definitely curious to see what excuse he comes up with next. This one was honestly one of the more entertaining sovereign citizen hearings I've seen. Let me know what you thought about it in the comments. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more courtroom content. Thanks for watching.